All right, welcome to my channel, guys. And in this video, we are going to talk about the Apple Watch band, the Apple Watch Ultra band. And I received my watch today, and I did made a video of unboxing my Apple Watch Ultra. As you guys can see right here, we got the Apple Watch Ultra right here. And the reason I'm making this video is because the band I got with my Apple Watch is this one right here. As you guys can see, white ocean. And the issue I'm having with this band is that um, when I put this piece on my watch, it does not it does not stay in, it does not lock. So as you guys can see, it was easy to plug in, as you guys can see, and then you can without this is the button right here. As you guys can see right there, this is the button that you press to release the band, but without, I'm not going to even touch that button, and it just swipe on the other side. So let me do it again. As you guys can see, going into the watch from one end, and is coming out of the second end. As you guys can see right here, it does not get locked. So I called the Apple right after I realized that this band wasn't locking in. It seemed like everything is in place, everything is normal, as you guys can see right here, just like on other side, but other side does not come out. So let me take off this band, current one, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this band on other side, as you guys can see. And let me show you guys. Okay, so this side is on, just like that. And as you guys can see, even if we yank it, it does not come out like this. But if I do this side, and right here, like that, and it just swipe right out. And see, like this, it's like you swiping a credit card on the credit card machine, just like that. So as you guys can see, it does not lock. I'm not even touching that button, the release button of the band. So as you guys can see right here, goes on this side, come right out of the second side. So I mean, I just want to make this video and bring it out to you guys. If you guys already using your watch, and if you guys already have a watch with the same band or whatever the band you have, just so you guys can see the check your band, make sure it's working, make sure it's not doing what it's doing to me. Just like its example, this side is fine. As you guys can see, I am yanking, I'm pulling, it's not coming out, it's locked in a place. Only way to take it out is to press this button right here, and then pull it out. So this side is supposed to do the same thing, but it's not. So as you guys can see right here, we're gonna put it and swipe right out on the other side. So, and if we put the watch down, and if we look at the both side of the band, as you guys can see right here. So I don't know if you guys can see on the camera, but as you guys can see, the metal part right there lines up perfectly fine, as you guys can see right here. And these two dots line up perfect to each other, but for some reason it's not connecting. So if I flip it over, and the other side, as you guys can see, is exactly same, but for some reason it's not staying in my watch. So like I say, I did call Apple, and they were kind enough to replace the band, and they did ask me to if I want to get a refund for the whole watch, or if I want to just get the get the whole watch shipped out. And I told them, I say, well, seem like the watch is working fine, it's just a band. So I say if you can replace the band, that'd be fantastic. So they were kind enough to send me a brand new band for this watch. And when I ordered this, I ordered the white, and just in just because this one is default, so I didn't want to take a chance again. So what I did, I choose the new band. So I'm going to show you guys. So if I go to my Apple and let me pull up the, I don't want to show any personal information, so let me pull up the order. So as we can see right here, this is the band. I picked the yellow one right here. It will be delivered on the October 7 by standard delivery, and I'm getting the new one, 49 yellow ocean band. So I mean, it was really, really awesome calling the Apple and getting this resolved and have them to ship me a new band. It was really quick and really fast. Person I was talking to, she was awesome. And yeah, just want to record this quick video and bring it out to you guys. So I hope you guys not facing the same thing. And if you guys want to check your band, I'm sure you guys already have, but this is what happened to me, and I just want to make a video and bring it out to you guys. So thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe to my channel if you have not. If you already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And that's all I ask. It doesn't cost you guys anything. But as of recording of this video, we have, I think, almost 1750 subscribers, and my goal is to get to at least 2,000 by end of this year. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That will help the channel long way. Thank you so much again. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.